First thing I gotta do is, well, I'll show you. It's the extension cord for Ivy's little house out front. So, here's a new one. I'm gonna go plug this in. And, yeah, that sucks. That was my good extension cord. So let's go plug that in. And I might bring the leaf blower and blow the snow off it, because, it snowed. So the new one's not long enough to get to the house. So I get two options. I can get a small cord, go around the house and put it in, or I think I got a hole saw set here. I could drill a hole in the back, like a 3-inch hole, put the extension cord through that. So like that there. That's way too big, but I'm gonna go with it. This was for the, I don't think I have a hole saw kit now that I'm thinking about it. This is for drilling a hole in the bottom of my fuel tank on the blue truck, because it has like a sump on it rather than like a tube pickup. So that's why I have this. Just drill a hole.
It should work. There we go. All right.
Okay, that's done. And I'll reuse this one. I'll just put a new end on it, make sure there's no other cuts, and that's a perfect length for like in the garage or whatever. But where are we going?
Truck.
Yeah, big truck. Oh, car coming. Better wait.
Red means stop.
Yeah, red means stop. You know more than some people with their driver's license.
No, that's Maxwell.
Yeah. We're gonna go this way. We're gonna go to that campground with all the Christmas lights. We'll see a bunch of Santas and reindeer. It's pretty cool. They got like a whole campground set up that businesses can, they don't even rent them. They just like say they cut that, like they just get a spot, and you know, every campsite has a plug-in, so they plug their lights in, and it's pretty cool. It's free marketing, and it's something cool to do. Donation at the entrance, but so we'll go check it out, me and Ivy. Oh my! The lights are cool, but they're all buried in snow.
So bright.
Oh, there's so many lights. Ow. You see Santa? Hi, Santa. Oh, there he is there. There's gonna be a lot of Santas. Sparkle in the park.
Hi, Santa.
Hi. Snow. A trailer. And another Santa. A dinosaur. Oh. Fun? That's good. Gingerbread man, hot chocolate. That's nice. Look at that big Santa over on your left. That's a big Santa. Give us Tim Hortons gift card. It's this one, a little paper that you can say who wins or whatever. There's a lot of Santas. What do we got here? Santa, a little under the weather with a reindeer. Very pretty. It's got some trucks over here. Wow. Can you... This one's cool. Oh, there's that shivering snowman coming up here. He's cold. I see a snowmobile. You see a snowmobile? Oh, wow. I hope they have a really big chain on those. Wow, you're good. You can see Chase and Sky. You see them? Santa, another Santa, another Santa. Yeah. That's a big Santa. I think every town should do this that has a campground. Yeah. Those old women there, they're getting cold. See all the poor body job inside of that truck. Christmas lights aren't doing that any favors. What do you think? Pretty cool? People just stare sometimes. I don't know what it is. I guess I do the same thing. Be a lot of work to set this up, and it'd be just as much work to tear it all down. Yeah, bye Santa. We might come one more time before they're done. They're set up for a week. We might come back. You want to come back here tomorrow? Yeah. Well, what are these people parked here for? I guess some people might walk. Yeah, some people might walk. Not me and Ivy, we drove. What's a fire truck do?
A ghost.
Who works at the fire station?
Papa.
Yeah, Papa. And... Marshall?
Yeah.
Yeah, Papa and Marshall.
All the pups.
And all the pups, yeah. Well, lights. I'm just gonna open it for you here. There you go. Anyway, we're not gonna watch this whole one, but it's pretty cool. It's a lot of work and a lot of power. There used to be a guy at the other end of town that apparently did it for years. Like, since I've lived here he has, but I think this is the first year that he hasn't done it, so I was wondering what he did with all his lights. Like, but I think these people have, like, people that do this have like a group of people like that. Like, I don't know what to compare it to, but you know, like, it takes a special kind of person to put that much effort into free lights for the public. So I'm sure there's a community on Facebook like, sell my setup, you know, $5,000, take it all. So that's what I think happened, but who knows?
It's sticky.
Yeah. You say bye to the camera? Say bye, everybody.
We going home.
Yep, later we going home.